justice coming in, the Delhi High Court has now allowed the duty-free import of amphotericin B. It's the antifungal drug that's used for treating black fungus or mucormycosis. Now, this permission has been given till the centre takes a decision on guidelines regarding the import of amphotericin B. Do remember that this comes in conjunction with the government's earlier decision to allow for a manufacture of amphotericin B, essentially giving more licenses within the country, as well as making sure that we get more amphotericin B from other nations. So the Delhi High Court today allowing duty-free import of amphotericin B. Let me go across to Ananya, who's reporting on this. Ananya, good afternoon. Give us more details of what you're picking up as far as this is concerned. Now, this of course does come in conjunction with the efforts that the union government has been making to make sure we get as many doses as we can from abroad as well.
Well, yes, the order comes in as the Delhi High Court's division bench comprising Justice Jasmeet Singh and Justice Vipin Sanghi was hearing the black fungus issue in Delhi hospitals, and also regarding the shortage of the amphotericin B, which is the drug used to treating black fungus. So the conjunctions were on as to what is the availability, when Justice Singh had clearly quoted that we are running out of time, that every hour the demand and supply gap of amphotericin B is increasing and the cases are at a rapid rise in the national capital, following which the court has now passed an order that amphotericin B can be imported duty-free until a center takes a decision in this regard. It has also asked the center to consider the duty-free import. However, till the time the center does not take a decision on this, the court has clearly allowed that amphotericin B can be imported duty-free. However, a bond and a declaration has to be made that it is for personal use and shall not be imported for commercial use as of now. Back to you.
All right, Ananya, thank you very much for bringing us those details of the ruling that's coming in from the Delhi High Court. So for the moment, the court has allowed for the import of amphotericin B without duty.